Enjoy Ken. Si vous faites tomber sur channel là, normalement nous pouvons parler sur YouTube. Tapez Enjoy Ken, subscribe, puis on a bataille. Enjoy Ken toujours là pour apporter des informations pour nous en ce qui a trait à immigrants, immigration, politique, nouvelles, même capable satisfaire et les amis Enjoy Ken yo. Un caractère sentimental, nous pas suivre et arriver de 200 Kenyans que, comme tu as annoncé, nous pas suivre au côté vraiment des vacances à fait avec nous Enjoy Ken. Nous sommes capables de poursuivre la chaîne là, partager la chaîne là, subscribe la chaîne là, abonner à la chaîne là. Enjoy Ken, à nous suivre.
Volume 12, Volume 13.
Nous suivons contingent de 200 Kenyans qui ont avancé. Après, par hélicoptère que nous trois hélicoptères qui débarquent dans le pays, mais c'est une qui débarque toujours. Mais c'est tout par contingent de 200 Kenyans qui débarquent. Je dis même, dans l'aéroport Toussaint louverture. Abonnez, partagez, subscribe. Enjoy. On continue de suivre.
Trois moun sa ou pas bien campé positionné même. Trois moun sa ou pas bien positionné. Ouais, mais en bien là. Ça me va ici, on va demander. Pas bien positionné, ne pas pas bien. Et puis moi c'est bon ça. Alors anglais en bas là, on va pas la guerre. Ah, mais c'est ah, parlez donc. On peut te bouler là, monsieur. Il va filmer. C'est ça, il va filmer. Ah, là, il va faire un balle là. Mais pour ça, donner ça au collègue, comme ça, pas d'accord. Non, il a filmé. On a image à donner, on a image à dire. Si vous avez évité aller au contrôle.
En suivant ces slogans kenyans. Oui.
Can we have some order, please, for the journalists? We ask you, can you go back to your corner, please? Can we go back to our... Ok, les journalistes, on vous attend. Silence, please. We are starting the program. Silence, please. Okay, can we have some silence, please? Want to start our program? Okay. Thank you very much for this special occasion. We want to start our program. And to start us off, I would like to recognize the presence of the VIP who have joined us in this wonderful occasion. We have the President TPC, Son Excellence louverture. We have the Prime Minister, M. Didier Memphis.
On profite de ça des fans Enjoy Kenyo, les États-Unis, Haïti, Dominican Republic,
Ambassador Canada, and Ambassador France. Among the also invited guests, we have various Director Generals.
Nous en direct quand Aeroport Toussaint l'ouverture, côté arrivé de 200 Kenyans. Il est sur ça que déjà.
I will request all of us to have calm so that we can start off in this program. This juncture, I would like to invite our Force Commander, Monsieur Godfrey Otunge, so that he can proceed in the next program. Thank you very much, and let's have silence.
Sonny, baissez.
Our beloved President, the President of the Republic of Haiti, and to the Kenyans that are arriving, we have the President in the name of the Father. He's the father of MSS because, as all of us are aware, he was the first person to receive the MSS here in Haiti. And that's why he remains to be our father and is the overall coach for us at the moment. And as it is, you can see overhead, again, Your Excellency, the Antonov is just about to land. So the day is very, very crowded.
Et il y a un chef là qui a demandé au président d'Haïti, à savoir les Voltaire, comment venir pour présenter discours, arriver de 200 Kenyans.
And he has been also our director on the issue that we are touching on security in this country. Again, we have our beloved ambassadors. The ambassador of Spain, who is here with us. And when I talk about the ambassadors, I mean for the doubting Thomases that were saying that the mission has been stopped. No, the mission is in full course. And those are the ambassadors like you. I'm talking about the Spain ambassador. They have contributed immensely to the trust fund. We have the ambassador of the US, who has been cooking for us day and night in terms of tea. He's a man on top of our tea and breakfast in this country, and is our friend. We have our ambassador of Canada. All of us are aware, and you are seeing the Antonov, the biggest aircraft that has ever landed here in Haiti. That is now from the area of the Canada.
Ensuite, il y a plusieurs ambassadeurs qui là, États-Unis, Canada.
We have our ambassador of France.
Et de France aussi, tout, et qui là,
The
tout.
person that has made us now to speak Creole and French fluently in this country. And now with communication, you know very well, we are now doing the operations very well.
Et l'ambassadeur français, il parle français, il parle créole.
Throughout,
Que Kenya prend des volets pour qu'on fasse la préparation.
Of the Asian Police. And the team from Kenya, you are receiving and you are being welcomed by the DG, who happens to be our brother and who is our friend, and is a friend indeed. Again, we have senior government officials being led by the Director General of the airport, who was once in Kenya, and I think is happy seeing this mission moving on the right direction. We have the Director of NAP, who welcomed us here at the airport and also is supporting us on how to monitor the air and the maritime domain. And we have other senior government officials present. And again, distinguished guests, members of the press who have been our friends, and indeed today it has been said here by all the ambassadors